What's going on here? Yeah.
This is an Embedded Systems 472 EE class where they are actually developed their own hardware to control these autonomous drones. And so they've actually built their own controller to manually control it through this course, but also have built an autonomous algorithm that actually controls it around this track here. And so they use sensors on the front and bottom, which is there's 2 cameras. There's a number of inertial sensors for figuring out the motion, rotation, and using all that to automatically navigate this course here. So they had to build all the control systems from scratch.
Very cool. So what's the bigger problem that you guys are trying to solve here?
Well, the bigger problem is that they're building on an embedded platform, which is a constrained resource environment, where you have very little power, very little memory, very little processing. So how do you build advanced algorithms on these very small resource-constrained platforms, but still do really valuable applications on top of them? And so this is a really hard problem. They're controlling motors, getting sensor data back from it, and how do you do all that in real time with a small computing platform? And so they're learning how to do that using these drones.
Very cool. So what do you think of what you've seen so far today?
It's been pretty good. I mean, so one of the things I've seen is they've gone well beyond what they need to do for the class, because we only have 10 weeks to teach them the basics of embedded programming. But because they're so motivated to work on this, they've done well beyond what they usually do.
Great.